Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you're fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness, and you have a lot of fun in your life. And this is me Asya, and today I show you in this video very attractive and latest collection of low maintenance hairstyle for girls and women. Many much more ideas of low maintenance hairstyle. With beautiful haircut. Eye-catching hair dye. And many much more stylish ideas. Latest collection. Of low maintenance hairstyle for girls and women you see in this video. I hope you like it. First of all, I'll talk about so beautiful ideas of hairstyling. Mostly ideas in low maintenance hairstyling, fine and messy hairstyle. But in today's my collection, some ideas to short wave and curl on hair. Curly hairstyle and some ideas. Spiky hairstyle. Different ideas of haircut. Pixie haircut, bob haircut. Shaggy haircut, wedge haircut, and different type of cut, some ideas layered, some ideas step, and so beautiful ideas of hair dye. blonde color, burgundy color, light brown, dark brown, black color, grey color, some ideas in funky colors, so beautiful ideas of highlights in blonde color, in burgundy color, in funky colors, and so beautiful ideas of base color. Light base color, dark base color, and many much more beautiful and latest collection, trendy ideas of low maintenance hairstyle for girls and women you see in this video. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you tried, I hope you look so nice. Very stylish and you look too gorgeous. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel. Like my video, share my video, your friends, your family members and others. And please fully support me, support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support, your help, so I hope you do this. And share it your all over social media accounts. Like Facebook, Twitter, Insta and many apps of social media. I hope you must share it. So friends, thank you so much for watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I'll write back with new collection, new ideas. Take care and bye bye.